a multi-talented Korean singer-songwriter.
Mula Korea.
Muli Korea.
Sakay siya nito, ha?
Oo.
Nakasakay siya rito.
Oo. Diba?
I-welcome natin.
Ito na. Annyeonghaseyo!
Kisu!
Ay, ang taray! Ang taray!
Wow, umabot siya talaga. Lumipad yan. Dito, ha? Yung e-bike na to, ha?
Hey, Kisu! Wow! Kisu! Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh.
Hi, Kisu!
Annyeonghaseyo!
Hi, how are
Hello,
you?
guys. Nice to meet you.
Welcome
I'm
to the
Love.
Philippines.
That's Tony
I'm Tony
Pet.
Pet. You can call me Tony.
Oh, nice to meet you. My name is Kisu. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you guys.
Oh.
Is this your first time here in the Philippines?
Yeah, I'm first time. Today is the
Yeah.
second day.
Second day?
Just today?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, we have with us Miss Ana, yung pong kanyang manager.
Ana
at
Reñedo. Si
Yes.
Ana Reñedo. Aba, hi Ana! Good to see you again. Hi! Good morning.
Good morning po.
Good morning. Kamusta ang Tuna King?
Okay naman.
Ayan. Si Ana, of course, ay isang well-respected and well-known
Naman.
singer also. Songwriter din ba si Ana? Yes. Ayan, si Ana, oo.
Ano, meron daw magandang kwento sa atin si Kisu sa kanyang pagstay dito sa Philippines. How is it so far? Staying in the Philippines.
Oh, 1 week. 1 week staying here.
You're staying here for
Yeah.
1 week? Okay. And then, what do you have here in store for us? What are you doing here in the Philippines? Are you touring the country?
So many events, so many broadcasts, so many radio.
Guest
I'm meeting you.
That's nice, huh? That's nice. How do you find the weather here?
The weather,
It's cold.
Weather is good.
very cold, right?
Yeah, I'm so cold right now. I can't. Oh my God.
It's all in the mind.
Feels so cold.
It's cold. Yes,
Have you
yes.
tried any Pinoy food?
Yeah, yesterday night I ate Philippine food. So
Pinakain mo na ba
amazing.
sa restaurant mo?
Hindi pa po.
Di ba? You know she has a really good chain of restaurants, Anna.
Not yet.
You should go.
Really? So
yeah,
good?
yeah.
Restaurant?
Yeah, really good tuna
Oh,
from
really?
Korea also.
But her restaurant is Japanese restaurant, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Right now we are Philippine.
We are in the
Yeah.
Philippines. We are Filipino, but you should try it. Anyway,
Tagalog words. Do you
Tagalog
know
words.
any Tagalog words?
Tagalog. You're my dropa. Dropa. Dropa.
how
Dropa.
about tropa?
Tropa.
How about can you say that? Magandang umaga.
Makarapang kumaka.
Good morning.
You say kabarangay.
Kabarangay.
Aba!
Kabarangay. Kabarangay.
Ayan. How about I love you in Tagalog?
I know.
Tagalog. You know, I love you in Tagalog.
Ayan.
Mahal
come here.
kita.
Yeah!
Come.
You tell them, you tell them.
Mahal ko kayo. Mahal ko kayo. Mahal ko kayo. Mahal ko kayo. Mahal kita. Mahal kita.
Sabi mo sa kanya, mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Ay, salamat.
Okay.
He's good, ah.
Yeah.
You're good. You change the mahal kita to mahal ko kayo.
Yes.
You're
Good
so
job.
very good.
We heard you have a special treat for us, for your Pinoy fans, for your Filipino fans. Are you going to sing for us? Are you going to sing for us?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oy! Ladies and gentlemen, in Tagalog! In
Wow.
Tagalog! He will sing for us in Tagalog.
Tinuruan mo ba to, Ana? Tinuruan mo
Ay, ikaw ba
Tagalog?
Opo.
Kumusta siya so far? Anong...
Ayun po, yesterday siya dumating and then super happy po siya sa treat sa kanya ng mga fans po dito. Kaya want niyang bumalik ulit.
Eto na! Ladies, mga kabarangay! Let's all welcome! Palakpakan po natin para kay Kisu! Eto na!
Kisu!
Okay. Hindi Isis na rin tayo kung hindi Di na mabilang ang ating mga tampuhan Away ba't at hindi na malaya Eto tayo sa huli palagi Pabalik pa rin sa yakap mo Hanggang sa huli palagi Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo Ulit-ulit din man Nais kong malaman mo Iyo ako Sa pagdating ng ating pilag at ginto Di may abutin Ikaw pa rin aking between Natatangi kong talangin Kang sa uling siklo Sa huli palagi Pabalik pa rin sa yakap mo Mahal sa huli palagi Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo Ulit-ulitin lang Nais kong malaman mo Iyo ako palagi
Hi! Sa mga dyan na mga Connect 25. This is Love Annuver po. For more love, to the pet, and everything updates, just click the subscribe button and follow us on our Net25 social media pages at Net25 TV and Net25 Entertainment Facebook. See ya. I love ya.